Hey, have you ever done something nice for someone and then somehow life brings that kindness back to you? Let me tell you a little story. It's about a kid named Sammy. So, Sammy was just your regular quiet kid. He walked to school every day, didn't talk much, but he noticed things. One rainy morning, he's walking like usual, hood up, bag on his back, and he spots this old man struggling with two big grocery bags. People were just walking past like he wasn't even there. You know how it is. Everyone's in a hurry. Sammy slows down. He's thinking, I'm gonna be late for school. But then he walks over and says, "Need some help, sir?" The old man smiles. Big smile. You could tell he wasn't expecting that. He hands one bag to Sammy, and as they walk together, the old man says something kind of interesting. He goes, "Kindness is like an invisible thread. You don't see it, but it always finds its way back to you." Sammy just nods. He doesn't really get it. I mean, he's a kid. Fast forward a few days. Sammy's at the market with his mom. You know those busy outdoor markets, so many people, smells, colors. He sees this little toy on a stall, walks over to look, and suddenly, boom, he turns around and his mom's gone. Total panic. He starts calling, "Mom, Mom," but there are too many people. And then this man, probably in his 30s, bends down and says, "Hey buddy, are you lost?" Sammy's trying not to cry. "Yeah, I can't find my mom." The guy smiles and says, "No worries, I got you." They walk around together and finally they spot Sammy's mom. She runs over and hugs him tight. She says, "Thank you so much." And here's the twist. The man says, "You know, my dad told me about a boy who helped him carry groceries last week in the rain. That was you, wasn't it?" Sammy looks up like, "Wait, what?" "Yup, it was the old man's son. Total coincidence, or maybe not." And in that moment, Sammy remembered what the old man said. Kindness is like an invisible thread. That's when he got it. You do something kind not because you expect something back, but somehow the world remembers. So yeah, next time you get a chance to help someone, do it. You never know how it might come back around.